Hello there. Today I have decided to just try different colours and again to have another go at using a hairdryer in the method of the Dutch pour, although I'm just going to use the hairdryer and hope, because I have had so much fun with it in the past. So I have got purple, black, turquoise and pink, all on a white base, and I've saved a little bit of white to put on as well. So I'm just going to do a puddle pour and then use the hairdryer on that. See what I can get. And I have my trusty hairdryer here, so still a little bit of paint from when I've tried it in the past. So I'm now going to see how I go using this, but before I do, I think I might actually lift the picture up onto my Lazy Susan. Okay, so I now have it on my Lazy Susan and I'm going to try to use the blow dryer on it. Okay, I've got some lacing going on here, so I might just wait a little while and see what develops with that before I go any further. Right, I'll keep trying this and see what else develops. And again, I'm just going to walk away and leave it for a while and let it do its thing. Right, well, I'm looking at it and thinking I really would like a little more turquoise showing up in that, so I'm going to just drop a couple of bits of turquoise and then use the dryer on them. Actually, I might instead try a straw, because the spots are so small. I think a straw would probably be a better choice to blow. I don't want to lose the turquoise completely, so I think I'll just leave it there because it looks like it wants to disappear, and try this one. I'll pop a little more on, I think, for this one. And hope I haven't done too much. And now I will just run the hairdryer across that. Leave. I think instead it would probably be a better idea for me to just give it a little bit of a tilt. I certainly prefer the look of that to the blob that it was. In fact, I might even bring it round a little more, just to merge the turquoise a little more. Well, I'm bringing the camera down a bit now so that I can actually show you the picture up close. I am just so happy with it. I cannot believe that just having a wee play with those colours and some secret additives has made it look so good. All those different shapes and patterns, and the amount of lacing is just beautiful. So I will be trying that again very soon. So that's it for me on this picture, and thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.